Hello, my name is Tut, and I would like to present question 4. We said, should the law of intention be changed or improved? If so, how? First, first of all, I would like to divide my question into three parts: the introduction, body, and conclusion. From the conclusion, from from introduction, what is the intention of an act? Intention Intention can simply be described as a term of foreseeing of particular consequences and desire to act or fail to act so that those consequences occurred. It is distinguished from recklessness and subject of foreseeing but no desire to produce the consequences. From the body, why intention to create legal relation is important. Intention to create a legal relation indicate the intention of a party to enter into a legal binding agreement. It shows that the parties are ready to accept the legal consequences of agreement, which means that they are seriously about it. When looking at an agreement from the perspective of reasonable person to determine if that reasonable person would conclude the party intended to create a legal binding agreement is a good start. However, the perception that social or domestic agreement don't have intention to create a legal relationship should be changed. From argument present in the assigned reading, I think all contracts should start with the presumption that they intend to be legally binding. Contract legally binding agreement. One, an offer has been accepted. There is an agreement but not necessarily a contract. The element that convert an agreement into a true contract is intended to create a legal relation. There must be evidence that party intend the agreement to be subject to the law of contract. If evidence of intent is found, the agreement given rise to legal obligation whereby any party in breach may be sued. Family agreements are presumed not to give rise to legal relation unless there is a clear evidence to the contrary. The court will dismiss agreement which for policy reasons should not be legally enforceable. In 1919, Lord Halkin-Hill in Balfour and Miss Balfour, where an husband promised his wife to maintain while he worked in Ceylon that there was no intent to be legally bind. Even though the wife was relying upon the payment, the judge stated that as a general rules, agreement between the spouse would not be legally enforceable. In conclusion, how could the law of intention be improved? Firstly, a person has intention with respect to conduct if he or she mean to engage in that conduct. Secondly, a person has intention with respect to circumstances if he or she believe that it exists or will exist. Therefore, the presumption need to be improved, as this improvement can reduce the number of future litigation as it will encourage the concept of commitment to promise and will prevent family members from making promises that they do not intend to keep. Thank you.